Good?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so here we are, Sergio and I, Cache Lake, fishing on a regular, something that we like to do, and snaps, I got a bite, hold on. Oh, I just missed it.
Oh, let's come back.
I just missed the bite, but it's what, something Tuesday, Thursday? Pretty intense out here right now. We've caught. There it goes. There it goes. Move. We got it right there. And that is a red breast bluegill. Los hispanos lo llaman mojarras. Yeah. Check. That's the what? 12. Now the boat is done. So that's a little bit of what we do here. And if you guys
Open that, Jonah.
if you guys want to have a little bit of experience, you know who to call. And we're gonna have a lot of more fun next time, because it was such in a rush. We didn't even get snacks or nothing. We're starving, but with all these fish, yeah, it took my appetite away. So